Good day, kids! Ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon ay kung ano itong addition table. Ang addition table ay isang kasangkapan upang mas madaling maintindihan ng mga baguhang nagsisipag-aral pa lang sa mathematics. Bago ang lahat, i-introduce ko muna kung ano itong mga bagay-bagay na nasa loob ng addition table. Una, C stands for columns. There are 10 columns in this chart. This is the first column or column 1, and it is called red. All numbers in column 1 ends in 1. This is the second column, or column number 2. This column is colored orange, and all the numbers end in 2. The third column, or column 3, is colored yellow. All numbers under column 3 end in 3. Now, let's go to the fourth column, or column 4. Anong kulay? Kulay green. At lahat ng mga numbers under column 4 ends in 4. Now, let's go to the fifth column, or column 5. Column 5 is colored blue. Ang mga numbers dito ay nagtatapos sa digit 5. Now, let's go to the sixth column, or column 6. This is the column that is colored indigo. All numbers member to this group end in 6. Let's go to the seventh column, or column 7. This particular column is colored violet, and all the numbers end in 7. By the way, the first 7 columns were colored with Roy G. Biv, or the rainbow colors. Now, let's go to the last 3 columns, 8, 9, and 10, which is colored in earth colors. The 8th column, or column 8, is colored brown. All numbers under this column end in 8. The 9th column, or column 9, is colored gray. All numbers under this column end in 9. And the last column is colored black, and all the numbers ends in 0. Walang kulelat sa math! Walang kulelat sa math! A campaign on numeracy brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children. Walang kulelat sa math!